All right, here we are. Beehives number 2. They seem to be more awake. Both hives seem to be clean. Let's take a quick look inside each one and see how they're doing. Feeder is empty. And population in this one seems to be really good. This hive is sister hives with the one who has the queen that's dying. I don't know how the F. Well, I know how the F this one's doing well. It's because I've been feeding the crap out of them. We've drawn some comb here. Ton of brood on here. All uncapping. Here we go. Take a look at that baby being born. Come on, little one. Come on out. No, I don't have time to show the whole thing, but this was the top box that I checkerboarded a few weeks ago, and this was a brand new frame, and check it out. It's all larvae everywhere. On both sides. Worst comes to worst, I can steal some frames from here. This one's all hardcore brood. Could not ask for a better frame. This was a completely empty frame last week. No larvae, no eggs, but a whole bunch of drawn comb. Nothing else left up here. Let's move down one. Let's see how they're doing down here. Ton of brood on both sides of this one. We started drawing that one out. No brood in it though. Oh my god. That is a heavy frame of brood. Both sides. This was a brand new frame. Let's see how they're doing. They've drawn it out completely on both sides, and there is brood in both sides. Whole bunch of hatched brood on this one, and they've started storing a little bit of nectar. Well, not nectar, sugar water, but still. Let's go down one more. See if we can find ourselves her queen. I have a feeling I'm not going to spot the queen today, but I'm okay with that. She's in here. There's plenty of eggs and brood in here. Come on, bees. Get out of my way. Tons of brood down here. This one is ready to go. let's take a look next door. All right, so the top box on this one had a bunch of brand new brood in it. Looks like they were killing it on storing food, which is all we want at this point. I have a feeling that both these two hives are going to do really well this winter. More brood. All brood and pollen. Oh, and there's our queen. I'm gonna grab her out of here real quick. Get a photo of her. I'm not even gonna go into the bottom box here. There she is. You see her? Where'd she go? There she is. Doing an exceptional job. Look at this frame. Pollen on the outside, honey at the top, brood in the middle. These two hives are doing exceptionally well. I'm just going to let them be from now on. Not from now on, but for the next few weeks. Alrighty, so it's been a week and a half since I last fed these bees. They've been taking down almost a gallon a week. Both of these two hives are doing exceptionally well. They have strong queens, a ton of brood. This hive in particular is starting to store a bunch of honey, or not honey, but sugar water, which is good because all we care about is them making it through the winter. So I think that with a couple more feedings and a couple more weeks of work, both of these will be ready. I might steal a couple frames of brood from them to take up to the super weak hive, but we'll do that next weekend if we do it. With that, thanks for coming along. See you next week. Hopefully I have some better news from the other hive. Remember to subscribe to the channel right here. Watch all the other videos right down here. Go to my flying videos right here. Also sign up to follow me on Instagram, Cherry Blossom Honey. See you later.